In this podcast, I really wanted to talk and share my experiences and to help people, encourage them, which I get to realize just recently lang na pwede ko pala gawin tong bagay na to through this podcast. And a lot of things happen in my life, and I'm very much willing to share this with you in the next incoming episodes pa natin. And since this is my first episode, I really wanted to share why and how did I get started in this podcast. Well, first of all, ito medyo kinakabahan pa tayo, no? Kasi although I have a lot of speaking engagement in public with people, pero iba kasi sa akin yung ano yung ganito sa harap ng camera. So, this is the time that I have to go all in sa paggawa ng podcast. And actually, truthfully enough, mahilig talaga kami mapagkwentuhan nila. Talagang hindi ko na-realize na pwede ko palang gawin 'to. And since marami tayong naging kaibigang mga negosyante din, na gusto ko talaga marinig yung mga storya nila. And dun lumitaw yung idea na why not doing why not do this para hindi lang ako yung makarinig.